Our team members are Bindu C. Patil, Kavya Sia, me, Kumar Mopagar, and Prajwal MP. Let us now about the introduction. Problem identification is a fundamental step in engineering and structural analysis where the main goal is to understand and define the issue present within a system. It involves carefully examining data such as applied forces, bending moment, and stress value obtained from analysis data or simulation. Parameters like mx and my present the bending moment acting along different axes, while stress values indicate how much load the structure can safely. By interrupting these values, engineering can locate critical regions in the structure where the stress is too high, unevenly distributed. These regions are also more prone to damage or failure if not addressed properly. Therefore, identifying such problem areas at the early stages is essential to ensure the reliability and safety of the overall design. Next slide. Problem identification. The process of problem identification also helps in understanding the root causes behind the structural weakness. Issues such as excessive stress, improper load distribution, or weak material strength may arise due to poor design assumption, incorrect calculation, or external environmental factors like wind and vibration. By analyzing the given data, engineer can predict how the structure will behave under different conditions and take the necessary corrective action. This not only improves the performance and the durability of the structure but also reduce maintain cost and the risk of sudden failure. In this way, problem identification play a key role in developing efficient, safe and cost-effective engineering solution. Next slide will explain by Kumar.
Hi everyone, myself Kumar. Today I am explaining the slide of literature survey. We are seeing the in table year, tools and descriptions. And the 2001 the Nicot assessment in this survey we will see the study of the previous year's tools which has been differently openly, and we are using the website securities. It has been explained by the different scanners is like Nikto, Nikto burp suits and the OWASPA gap with the developer over the timing to find the vulnerabilities. In earlier years tools, we have simply and the cloudly only has been directed to the issues, and the technology is improved. Newer tools has been becoming the faster and the more powerful and easier to the use. And the today's in the modern scanners, we are using the AI scanners like machine learning to the detect the securities problems more accurately. And the index selection which will help us the understanding and the earlier display already to the improving the building and the better system for the our project. In the next slide, objectives to develop a system that scanner web application for the vulnerabilities. And the next point is to detect the common security threats like it's like a SQL injection has the XSS, the automate the process of the vulnerabilities detections and the generate the details. Suppose in this slide we have saving the mainly aim to the build a system to check the website for the common securities issue like hacking attackers or the SQL injections and the XSS. It will the automatically finds the problem and giving the deleted detailed reporters, and it will help us the making website for the application purpose for the more secure. Then next slide. Scope can we use it in the students for the learning cybersecurity and useful for the developer to test their applications, applicable for the small scales and the mid scales web systems. Focus on the common and the critical vulnerabilities, and can be extended for the advanced security analysis. In this slide, the this is project can be used for the student to learn and developers to test the websites, and it will suitable for the small and the large scales of web web systems. And it mainly focus on the importance of security issues, and it is can be used for the upgrade later more than the advanced using the technologies. The next slide will be explained by Prajwal MP.
Requirement and analysis. This slide lists functional and non-functional requirement for system. Functional requirement includes scanning websites automatically, scanning multiple pages, and suggesting fixes. Non-functional requirements cover high accuracy, high performance, secure data usage, and scalability. Next slide. The methodology and system design. In this slide, it depicts a flowchart of system workflow with four main steps. The user input a website URL, the scanner calls all web pages, detects vulnerability using predefined patterns, and generates a report with results. The design emphasizes automated detection and reporting for efficient vulnerability assessments. Next slide. Tools and technologies. This slide outlines the tech stack used in development. Backward involves Python with Flask framework, database usage, MySQL. Scarping relies on Scrappy. Front end uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And next slide will be explained by Bindu.
Myself Bindu. Today I'm going to explain about expected outcome of this project. Successful detection of common vulnerabilities and automated scanning process, easy to understand reports, improved security awareness, and also can reduction in cyber risk. For example, suppose a developer enters the URL of a shopping portal or website into the scanner. The scanner checks the login page. It finds that the login form is not secure of the SQL injection possibilities. It also detects that user input is not properly validated, access issues. The system shows these problems in a report. The developer reads the report and fixes the issues. The final result or outcome of this issues can be the website become more secure and safe for users. Next is conclusion. Web application vulnerability scanner helps in identifying security weakness. It automates the process of vulnerability detection and also reduces manual effort and saves time. Detects common attacks like SQL injection and access. Improves overall security of web application. Helps developer fix issues at an early stage. The web application vulnerability scanner is an important tool for improving website security. It helps in finding security problems automatically and reduces the need for manual testing. By detecting common vulnerabilities like SQL injection and excesses, it allows developers to fix issues early and protect user data. This project shows how automation can make web applications safer, faster, and more reliable. Overall, it plays a key role in preventing cyber attacks and ensuring secure online services. Thank you.
Completed, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Kavya,
Yes, ma'am.
can you repeat once again introduction part?
Okay, ma'am. ಫಸ್ಟಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Just introduction and problem statement.
Web application is a vulnerability scanner automatically tests a website to identify security weakness and helps improve its protection against cyber attacks. ಇದು ವೆಬ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ನ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೈಬರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಸೈಬರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಂದ.
Okay. Then what is the problem statement? Huh? Explain it.
ಹಾಂ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. The process of problem identification also helps in understanding the root causes behind structural weakness. ವೀಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕಾರಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಸಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಸು, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಸು, ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ನು, ವೀಕ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತು, ಮತ್ತೆ
Where,
ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಅರೈಸ್
where all these problems are occurring?
ಸಾರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
Where all these problems are happening?
ಸೈಬರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಂದ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
That you have to mention, right?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Then without saying where the problem is occurring, you only saying what are the problems.
ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್
Yeah, continue.
ಈ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೂರ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಇದು ಸೈಬರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕು ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay. Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
what is web application vulnerability?
Web application vulnerability, ma'am.
It's don't
Ma'am, it is a
explain by
ma'am, it
seeing
is
the
a
slides.
risk.
You have to explain. Mm. Define it.
Ma'am, it is a common SQL injection and the cross of ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಅದು ಹ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು.
Prajwal,
ಹಾಂ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
what is web application vulnerability scanner?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
What is web application vulnerability scanner? Kavya. Kavya,
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
what is web application vulnerability scanner?
Web application vulnerability scanner is a tool is used to detect weakness, security weakness in application, web application. It is identified to a vulnerability early to so developers can fix and protect the cyber attack, protect from the cyber attack.
Bindu,
Yes, ma'am.
name any two common vulnerabilities.
SQL injection or cross-site scripting.
Explain SQL injection.
SQL injection where if any login page if the scanner checks the login page, it can find any default issues like not securing the name of the persons or address, so that where SQL injection can be detected and find out.
So I'm asking, explain SQL injection. How it is happening?
If any website asks for username and password, the user enters data. If the website sends this data to the database, then SQL injection, which is a type of security attack where a hacker inserts malicious SQL code into a website input field like login forms or anything to access or manipulate the database.
Okay. Um, Prajwal,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the types of input your system require?
This URL serves as the starting point of for scanning, triggering automatic crawling of all linked pages to detect.
Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
what type of website you are going to test?
What, ma'am?
What type of website or application you are going to test?
Ma'am, what type of websites, ma'am?
Yes.
We will, ma'am, shopping.
Mhm.
Shopping and using the MySQL and the SQL servers, like system login, ma'am, and the commercial website like banking systems and websites like user interactive websites, ma'am.
So, okay.